Yeah. Yeah. Nigga. Biz off. Yeah.
You know, another day, another play. Shit, South Beach right now, you know what I'm saying? Shit. We out here, you know what we do, man, when we travel. It's all dog business. But this a big one. This a big one. I ain't gonna lie. Shit, you know just like I know, bro. 2024 been crazy, but you know this one. Yeah. But as humble as I can possibly say it, bro, nigga deserve every bit of this. You know, I've been, working on the brand, kind of had to figure some of this dog shit out for real, bro, but it just seemed like since I stepped back and really just started focusing on me, shit just started happening different. You know what I'm saying? Like, more opportunities, more, you know what I'm saying, more clientele, bigger clientele with bigger platforms. I mean, it's just like, it's kind of unfolding in front of everybody's eyes. You know, none of this is made up. This is all hard work and grind for real. You know, it just makes sense.
$1 million nigga.
Follow the formula.
This is not no cap.
I mean,
For the lead, Simmons.
On my feet, I'm a motherfucking boss. It's gonna cost to talk to me. He ain't talking about no money. Must be speaking Chinese. Fell in love with road running. I run routes like Tyree. You know what I'm saying?
you gotta have 2 copies of everything to like make a cover. Right. So for her to be a new shade, right? That color only really been out for like 5 years. Right. Maybe that. You know what I'm saying? But they still working on it. Yeah. She's 2 copies of blue, 2 copies of testable, 2 copies of cocoa.
Wow.
Yeah. She's Nah, the possibilities, bro.
So how much bigger will she get? She's gonna be small, right?
She's gonna be small. So the thing about big ropes, bro, I'm gonna be real. So for something that's like UK produced,
Yeah.
I would say like big rope wise, that would be top 5. Okay. Right?
Yeah.
When we put our American twist on it, the bone, the structure, shrink the back.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a different type of dog.
I'm a big baller, like I play for the Clippers. Gucci mixed with Prada, red Martin slippers. Fell in love with designer. I stand Neiman Marcus. 13 for the.
Ooh.
Come get a chain. There you go.
Hook 'em.
There you go. You got it. There you go. Yeah.
He ain't country boy. He ain't country boy.
You sweet. You ain't country for real. You sweet. City boy. I'm trying to balance. Don't get too much money. You can't do this no more, man. You can't do this no more. That's great. Yeah, they're all over.
Oh,
Oh, there you go. There you go. In the boat. In the boat.
Oh, shit. Yeah, what you talking about? And he got some of my beer. Yeah. Yeah. Grab my face. Grab it. Yeah, Jack. Fucked up.
Another one.
Wavy game.
Nice.
You fucked up tonight. Exotics. All the way from my block to yours. Quick quality. Come on.
Risk is his.
Yeah.
Hey, man. We're trying to put a stain on the dog game and the dog game.
Hey, man. Just like that.
This is actually a double myrtle and a koi. So just a product, a screenshot, bred to a cryptic myrtle female. You know, a lot of people stay away from myrtle to myrtle, but if you measure the lengths, you can do it successfully and safely. You know what I'm saying? Get this type of outcome.
Come here, boo.
But no, this dog has like a white spotting, more so than Merle. That's kind of what we've been playing with for the last 2 years, that white spot. Now it's getting to a point to where we're getting closer and closer making that Dalmatian. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna keep playing with the pattern, keep going for it, doing it safely.
Hey, you gotta relax.
No tape.
What's some of the safe things that you guys do compared to other breeders?
So I mean, when you breeding responsibly, bro, you gotta know what your dog carry. First and foremost, we DNA test not just for color, not just for like texture, hair. We DNA test for like health. You know what I'm saying? Like if there's any like bad thing you carry or anything like that, it's not a breeding dog. You know what I'm saying? So health test, stay away from that stuff.
He a beast. Bro, hell yeah. It's bittersweet. I can't lie, it's bittersweet. I appreciate you. Look at me. He ain't saying. Yeah, show that.
Bro, you see how the pattern look in real life? Like,
see, the picture's gonna do it more justice.
Yeah, let me get that one. I don't really like to talk, no, I don't want to speak.
On bad pictures that I'm trying. I'm not a photographer. That's not my job. But when you see this dog, you put your hand on this dog, now you see what it is. Super flat face.
hey man, you can get a koi or you can get a coyote. You know what I'm saying?
You better know.
Dog, bro, like this shit. Like this is this some of the first shit that you can find that look like that. You can find a pattern all day,
Yeah.
but it's gonna look like a coyote, not a koi.